Hello everyone, welcome back again to my channel, and today I bring you another review. This is from Eduard and it's 1/72 scale. So this is the MiG 15, the beige, and this is a Profi Pack edition. So on the inside of the box you have almost everything to build this wonderful plane. I love the MiG 15, so I have a lot of this kits, and of course they are all of Eduard's. I got one from Zveda too. The last ones they released on the market, the panel lines are really awesome. All the rivets, all the lines, they are really good. So this is not a new kit, so this is a rebox, and what they do on this, they change the decals for this. So this is a full kit, so let's open and show you guys what can you expect from this kit. So we got here, so let me just is like this a little. All right, we got here the clear parts, of course, like they do on this little wheel. It's a nice way to put it. We got here the wings, and the wings are really awesome. All the details are really good on these ones. So either from the bottom on the top, they are really good. We got here another sprue, as you can see, and we got here some awesome details. Really nice. Okay, this I build a lot of these ones, so I know all these parts. I can see here the level of details on these are really good. We got here the body of the plane. Guys, they are really good. You see the details? Really nice. Okay, the new thing they put here is these decals, so new ones. We got here the masks. It's for the canopy. It helps a lot. It's really good. It's laser cut, so you just remove it. We got here on the instructions. We got here all the cockpit and the seat belts. Okay, and the dashboard of the cockpit in color, so it's really good. So really easy to assemble this. This is not too difficult, so made it. So we got here the instructions, as you can see, and we got all the parts we need. On the blue they put here on these books, it's the part you are not going to use on these specific models. Okay, and all these constructions, I think it's 4 different ways to build this one. You're not going to use this one. All the P parts, it sits right there, PE, the number of the parts. We got here the colors you need. We got here Mr. Color, mission models. Yes, Mr. Color, mission model paints for this. You just, if you use another brand, you just use another brand, you make the conversion. So as you can see, the first parts start doing almost in every plane. It's the interior of the cockpit and all the parts we need. The things, this is the part of the engine, exhaust, and as you can see, the wings. Remember, if you are going to put, you got here the question, if you are going to put the external fuel tank, you must drill, and we got here the millimeters of the bit we are going to use for this build. And yes, the bottom of this, it's really detailed. It's really awesome. In so little kit of this is a very little plane in 1/72 scale. It's more little, but the details are very awesome. And on this, have some issues like always all the kits, but it's easy to pass, so it's not a big problem. You can see here, close it, or if you are going to be open, as you can see right here. So just follow the instructions, they are really easy. You can see here the masks, the schematics, and you see from the clear part, the position, what you need. Okay, here are the fuel tanks, how to build it and where to put it, the colors. So it's very easy. One of the things I like on these manuals, it's the colors. So you got here the colors. You have they put the name like the brown, green, sand and blue, so you just see the real colors for these. This is for North Korea in May 1953. This one it's from German Democratic Republic in 1957. We got here this from Hungary in 1972, the year I born. Nice one. This is a really nice schematic. Okay, we got here 1, 2, 3, 4 5 colors for the airplane. Yeah, we got here. And this one it's from Egypt, late 15th, okay, early the 16th, okay. And more Soviet Union, of course, middle of the 15th. So here the station positions, the little ones, and on all the schematics you got the big ones on the schematic of the colors, and this is all the things you are going to use. Don't forget to put this. This is going to be to give a real life on your airplanes, so don't forget it to put it. Okay, you can see here the marking for B only, and they are really good now. They put one each side. Okay, it's very important. Here this one in the interior, and we got on the bottom on the top. And this is for the marking E only. Okay, it's the same schematic what we are going to use for this. So let me put this careful, don't break any parts, it's very important. So the MiG 15B is the Profit Bake edition from Eduard in 1/72 scale. I build a lot of these ones, and really I said build one of these and you are going to like it. So guys, if you have any questions, just ask me, and remember, it's a new kit, but it's not new tool or anything. It's just the new decals they put on this box. Okay, so guys, bye, thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe and click on the bell for more reviews and more tutorials on my channel. Bye guys.